told you, take my hand through the flame. I told you, I'm a slave to you. I'm just a sucker for pain. I wanna chain you up, I wanna tie you. I told you, I'm just a sucker for pain. 'Cause I'm a sucker for real, up in my head high. I work too much and skip the night and see more than light. I got zombie eyes, bloodshot and zombified. The windows to the soul, but my soul broke too many times. Guess I'm broken for real, my heart it has been abused. So since I've got nothing left, I guess there's nothing to lose. I'm over being used. These companies act like they're generous. I know that I am small, but my fight is like I told you. Take my hand through the flame. I told you, I'm a slave to your game. I wanna chain you up, I wanna tie you. I told you, I'm just a sucker for pain. I'm a sucker for pain, but you're a sucker in life. I'm not sure if you know what it feels like to be alive, so keep that in mind the next time you try to put me down alive for doing what I love every day and night. So call me a sucker, I love it, I'm not ashamed. You keep spitting on my spot, I turn it into a flame. I'm addicted to the game, I'm not a victim to the pain. You're gonna take my hand or what, you've only got yourself. I told you, take my hand through the flame. I told you, I'm a slave to your game. I wanna chain you up, I wanna tie you. I told you, I'm just a sucker for pain. It's all I desire, so light me on fire. I'll burn and then they'll call me a pioneer. In the world of broken businesses, I've witnessed the crimes of the choir of politicians. Ambition to reign so much higher than lies, what money can't buy. Dreams to come true to feel alive. No pain.